Today's the day that I introduce you to a great friend of mine, a friend that I look at, I respect for a long, long time, who has taught me so much about plant medicine, botanical extracts, solventless extracts, green Element CBD. This is the CBD company because this is the one that has integrity from the crack of the seed all the way to the packaging of the bottles. This product right here is 100% Soil King approved. Everything about it, the manufacturers, the mind behind the brands, the medicinal values to the patient and our pets. Like, this is the brand for you to look at right here. I love this brand, I love the people behind it. Let's talk about the CBD tincture. Why is it important? What's in here? What does it do?
It's honestly probably easier for me to tell you what's not in there. So what's not in there is anything that you don't need. There's a carrier oil, it's organic MCT oil, it's coconut oil, and there's full spectrum cannabinoids, nothing else. No flavorings, no preservatives, nothing artificial, no additives, no isolate.
Let's talk about CBG.
CBG has been nicknamed the mother of all cannabinoids, and it really is the building block that the plant turns into your CBD, your THC, and all your cannabinoids that are in a full spectrum product. Now, the reason that we use full spectrum products rather than isolates is you get what's called the entourage effect, which means that the parts together are more effective than any one of them by themselves. So by leaving the other cannabinoids in, you're getting a more effective product. The CBG product differs from our CBD product because we've added a second full spectrum extract that has very high levels of CBG. This gives you a different cannabinoid profile. It's broader, it has both still a high concentration of CBD and a high concentration of CBG, and so you're maximizing the entourage effect.
Shelf stability, like how long does this last? And how the carrier, like talk to us about the carrier stability.
So any shelf stability issue with a tincture, you're looking at issues usually with the carrier oil. Our tinctures are 100% organic MCT oil with full spectrum distillate as our cannabinoid source. There's nothing in there that's going to spoil the rancidity issues you don't get for typically 1 to 2 years on MCT oil. As long as you keep it, I wouldn't store it in a hot car. You don't need to refrigerate it. It's in a dark bottle. Shouldn't have any problems.
Let's talk about our beloved family members.
Our furry friends.
Our furry friends. You have two different varieties right here. You have a 1200 milligrams and a 400 milligrams. You want to explain the two of those?
They're the same product, it's just a different dosage. The 400 typically would be for a smaller animal ranging anywhere from a cat or a really small dog up to like a 30 or 40 pound dog. 1200 milligram is targeted to larger animals, and that comes from me personally having a large dog and seeing how fast you burn through a lot of these products. It's a much higher potency, so your bottle lasts a lot longer.
So how do people find the test results? Like, how do we know that?
So every one of our products, if you pick it up and look on it, there's a QR code on the back of it. And if you scan that, it'll take you straight to a test results page on our website. On that page, we provide test results for every batch, every product we make. And we're not just providing the potency results that most manufacturers do at the end of the manufacturing process. We provide the results of the material we intake, of the crude extracts, of the finished distillate when we refine the extract, and of the finished product. And at every step of the way, we're testing potency, we're testing for pesticides, we're testing for solvents, and we're testing for heavy metals. So when you get one of our products, you know that it's tested start to finish.
Gunner, come here, buddy. So if you have a pet or a dog and their nose is always dry, you see how his nose is dry? You're a good boy. You just put this on it, rub it in a little bit. Look at that, moistened it right up. There's no regulation that tells you you have to do that high quality of testing. You do that because of who you are and the integrity within.
Correct, because it's the right thing to do. Because I wouldn't consume a product that didn't have that level of testing behind it. And that's specifically why we started the company, was because we couldn't find products with that level of testing and transparency that were remotely affordable to use.
That's good. That's a good line you just said. Because he couldn't find products, so he had to do it himself. What's the difference in quality from this product for our pets and this product for our humans?
One has a green lid, the other one has a brown lid. That's literally the only difference. That and dosage. Human grade ingredients in both of them.
Integrity, 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 100% Soil King approved product. And that's the reason why right there. Why would you give garbage to your pets, yet feed you something superior? If you love your pet like I love my pet, there should be no difference. Should be absolutely no difference. Unfortunately, in a lot of different industries, especially the hemp industry, you're gonna find products that are pushed on our animals that are not consumable to humans. And it's disgusting, and it's not regulated, and it's okay. It's not okay with me, and it's not okay with Doug. Well, I'm glad you got the opportunity to understand what I see in Doug and what he's been doing for a number of years for our medicinal patients. I'm proud to have him sitting here right now with me, and I'm also proud to be a brand ambassador of this great product. For more information on the full array of products that Green Element CBD has available for you, you can go to their website at www.greenelementcbd.com. There you'll find a whole list of products. We have some lip balms, salve sticks, topicals. There's roll-on pain creams and this incredible lotion right here that is just absolutely, the smell and scent of this is just, oh man, it smells so good, Doug. You can find a lot of information about what's in the product, the integrity behind the product. You can go to the website, you can find out more information about all these products, what's coming in the future, but more importantly is the claims and the analytics and the testing that go alongside with these products. You'll find all on the website as well too. That's why I love a product like this, because they stand behind it 100%. You as a consumer and a patient can trust that you're going to get what they tell you you're going to.